Hey, what's going on? You are welcome to my YouTube video. Now, in today's video, I'm going to show you the latest discount that you are looking for. This website you will get with confident. The best part is if you complete watch this video, you will also learn how you can get discount deals coupon code for any website you want with 12-month updated promotion. Also, make sure you use these deals, discounts and promotion clicking the shop now button, because when you will click the shop now button, it will take you to the official website and they will always give you all the updated deals, sometimes 10% off, 20, 50, 70% off discount you will get with confident. The best part is if you also check out the second discount link, if you click on it, you will get coupon, discount, promotion, Black Friday, Cyber Monday, Father's Day, holiday, weekly updated deals, discount for any website you want. So shop online, save money using all of this promotion and discount. Make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel. Write few words in the comments which video you like the most and the coupon, the discount promotion that